How to use small cell 5G technology with the solar technology? Well, we can see that in the future, when the 5G technology deploy widely, you will see a lot of small cell of the 5G deployed in anywhere, because we can compare the 4G technology. You can count on the some micro side, but 5G technology you cannot only count on the macro side. You have to think about the micro side, the small cell, this kind of technology to deploy everywhere, right? To make the world like a connected world. But when you have base station like small cells, that means you have connection with everywhere. But what about the solar technology? What about your power? Because you have devices in anywhere can get the 5G connection anywhere, but where does the power come from? So that's why we believe that in the future there's one devices which have to merge the 5G technology plus the solar technology and merge together to make it will work with different scenarios. But we can see that the scenario is too complex. You cannot have one standard product to comply, right? So must have someone to merge the different kind of technology into a hardware platform. Then every time customize the solution for our customers. This is what we are doing right now, because we have the capability to customize case by case. On the other hand, we have the 5G technology, we have the very complete power and network technology. But another way is to use the solar system to provide power for the 5G small cell base station itself. Think about it. The 5G small cell, it will be very small. It will be deployed anywhere. I mean, you cannot count on it like you can have some places like a current 4G micro site. They're very good place for you to deploy, right? So it can be anywhere. You can imagine that you cannot get power easily. So solar technology is one way to get power very, very easily. But in another way, we are also thinking about that topic. Because in this world, still a lot of places they cannot get solar very easily, because especially, for example, in Europe, in the north of Europe, in the winter you don't have a lot of solar resource. So another thing is use the wind technology. Edgeware is working on it. We already have complete solar technology, and sooner we will merge our wind generation technologies into this whole total solution. That's we use the technology to help the 5G speed up the deployment.